That was a warlock. There's two of them. There's a battle mage. That's what I was thinking of.
Yeah.
All right, let me try battle mage.
Battle mages are good. They're strong.
Ooh. I need a cool battle mage helmet. Battle mage. What does a battle mage wear? Probably something like that.
You know that red helmet that you had?
Bez? Oh, this is definitely it. All right, let's go.
That's funny.
Oh, I put up a force field. It's working, Russell. I'm a wizard. I've locked us in. Oh, I can teleport? No way. Teleport.
Well, stop going around doing nothing.
I'm teleporting, son. That takes mad skill. Ugh. Teleport. Shield. Fireball. I can shoot fireballs. This is what I'm talking about. Fireball. 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 Shield. Battle mage. Ho! Kick to the face.
Wait, Dad, I need help. I'm almost dead.
Here's the shield. Here, let me fireball this guy. Fireball. Fireball.
Okay, here we go.
Fireball. Fireball.
What do you mean I just killed him?
Yeah, due to my antler fireball attack.
I need a chest. I'm almost dead.
Eat the mushrooms.
Or what mushroom?
Fireball. What else can I do? Shield. Fireball. Teleport. Alright, now I know how to teleport. Y'all in big, big trouble. Ooh. Teleport.
I'm almost dead, Daddy. I'm at 6 health.
I'm gonna have to revive you. Because you're not cool like me. You're not a battle mage. Probably the... Ooh. All that sweet coinage. Mushroom attack.
Yeah, I'm gonna die.
Teleport, son. Oh, you can't teleport?
Yeah, I'm an adventurer. I'm a beginner.
Oh, you can't teleport? Oh, you can't put up a force field? Choose, son.
Revive me, Dad. I need 10 souls.
Fireball. 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 Come on, Fireball. Don't let me down. Dude, I love... Oh! That was to the face. That hurt a little bit. Fireball.
Kill the ogre. I know you can do this, Daddy.
Of course I can.
And
I'm a
are you
battle
dead?
mage. Oh, what?
No.
Were you
can't do
doubting
this.
your old man?
Yeah, you can do it, Daddy. Go do it.
Oh, no!
Yep, you're dead.
No! I'm a battle mage. You can't kill me. Come on. Stay alive, Johnny Five. Russell! Why didn't you protect me?
Because I'm trying to hit your grave.
All right, let's give this one more go. We can do this.
One more go, Daddy. One more go.
Battlemage hole. Let's do this. Ooh, chest. Battle kick. Battle throw. Fireball, fireball. Fireball, fireball. Hey, give me the bread. Son, why would you take the bread?
Because they're already almost dead.
You genius.
But you're not almost dead.
Oh, a sleeping ogre. Fireball, fireball. Hey, get out of the way of my fireballs, son.
What the? Can you let me do some attacking? What the heck?
If you were a cool battle mage, maybe I would. Ah, you're stuck. Battle. Oh. Thanks to my battle mage skills. You're welcome.
Oh.
Let a battle mage do it. Russell, come on, bud. Where's your lock picking skills at? Glug, glug, glug. All right, let's go.
Some health?
No, you don't. You got more health than I do.
I only got 70. How much health do you have?
82.
Yeah, you got like...
Yeah, I'm a battle mage.
You're going to get a disease. If you
Murky
do that.
water. All right,
Yeah,
let's
later.
go. Fireball.
No.
Fireball.
Cheese. I need cheese.
Stomp. Face stomp.
Teamwork face stomp.
All right, I'm going to throw some battle axes.
Ah!
Hey, how about you not hit
Got shields.
the battle mage?
Why don't you don't get in front of me? Oh.
Hey, I'm a battle mage. I tell you what to do.
Hey, battle mages don't get in front of people.
Actually, they do.
No, battle mages don't get behind people.
All right, you're getting a fireball.
Too
Obviously,
bad.
don't know who I am. Elven Cure?
It
Oh.
cures you. How do you drink this? Oh, God, click B to drink it.
I clicked the wrong button at the wrong time. Bomb action. Face stomp.
Go, go, go.
Come on, Russell, focus.
Yay.
I got battle mage skills.
Oh, you did?
I
Like
did
a couple thousand.
like a lot more.
Okay, let's go to the courtyard.
We go. Yeah, I should have given that to you.
Give me that potion.
Yeah.
I only got
here,
46
come here.
health.
Drink it, battle mage guardian.
Oh, that's bad.
Ooh, stomp.
Stop. Oh, there's two. Oh, I just knocked one off the edge. Kill all the witches. No! I just fell off the edge on accident.
Yeah, keep doing that. Then I can hit with my fireball. There you go. Elven Cure. Huge golden chest. What is that? Creates a magical decoy. That's always good to have. Wait, what's this? Gladius. Oh, no!
Just throw off your friend.
I'm trying to pick up. It says right mouse to pick up. Why won't it let me pick it up?
Because you're clicking. Because it says you have no mana above your head. Oh.
Right mouse to pick up.
No, it's not right mouse. It's not that, Dad.
No mana. I accidentally picked up the wrong potion. Get out of the way. Boy. Show you how a man breaks wood.
Dang. I'm sorry.
I farted. I'm sorry.
See, I'm just gonna watch.
Yeah, how about you take out the big guy?
I
Help me-
can't.
You can distract him while I firebomb his face.
I'm trying to. Hey, get back here, big ogre. Ha. Oh. Big ogre. Hurry up, Dad. Give me 7 more souls.
Hit the big guy. Why are you just standing there, boy? Hit him so he doesn't move. There you go.
Give me 4 more souls.
Yeah. I'm
So I
almost
can be
dead.
revived. There's witches. Be careful. And a big guy.
Where'd you go?
I'm in the next area.
Oh, I've got like unlimited decoy dudes.
We heal up so you can get me.
How do I pick
Get
up the
this-
potion?
Cause you're not clicking the right button.
It says right
Right.
mouse to pick up.
Your right click must be maybe just get some mana. But see you later.
All right, let's do this.
Well, be careful. There's a giant ogre.
Hit the ogre. Russell!
He's dead. Just give me 1 more soul and then I'll revive.
4. Drink. Glug, glug, glug.
Okay, Dad, all you gotta do is give me 1 more soul, then I'll be resurrected.
Cheeseburger.
Kill 1 guy, Dad,
Yeah.
so I can become alive again and help you. Like your own son.
You're not my son. My son wouldn't die.
Yeah, I'm alive.
You're welcome, son. Excuse me. Come on, son, you can do this. No, you can't.
Oh,
Oh, now that works. Okay. There's something wrong with my buttons. Won't let me do it. There you go. Woo!
do all that sweet moolah, but I'm almost dead. So,
Yeah, me too.
let's go here.
I don't think we're gonna make it. Oh, you took the health potion?
Hey, sorry. I was thirsty.
But nearly killed you. Oh, that's the dumbest thing ever.
Wait, what?
It says it gives you immunity to poison, but it nearly kills you. And I'm already
How about
almost
get the
dead.
Mountains scam makes you temporarily stronger, but kicks really hard.
Yeah.
See you later.
Oh yeah, won't let me pick anything up. Really cool.
Don't die on me, Daddy.
I'm a battle mage. I don't die.
Yes, you do.
I'm a little gassy right now, but I will not die. Get him, dummy.
Never mind. You won't.
Ooh. Battlemage. Battlemage. Oh, what's this dude gonna give me? Give me something cool. Oh, man.
Okay, we're done with this level. We're in the Dark Castle now.
Whoa, 23 to 07? Come on, son. Come on.
I'm at 22 health. I need help.
Alright, we can do this. Whoa, look at all the cool stuff. Teleport.
Chests.
Teleport.
Oh! Oh no, Dad, I'm about to die. I got 1 health. 1 bite and I'm dead. 1 hit and I'm dead.
Then don't die. Then back up and let me take him.
Okay, let me eat this apple.
As father and son will open the chests. Oh, bone. Why would you take the cool stuff? No, I get the cool stuff.
I'm dead.
Well, how'd you die? You're opening a chest.
Because Dad, get the bone sword. Look at it.
It has 13 less damage than what my current sword does.
No, for 13 plus damage. Double against undead.
For you,
Undead.
it's worse than the sword I have now, son.
It's a double damage against undead, so that means it does more damage to like skeletons.
Let's keep the one I got.
Get this it says regeneration 5.
Okay. I'll take it.
Now open this chest. Let's see what's over here. No, nothing. What's over here? No, I'm trapped over here. Again, seriously. Oh, there's fireballs.
Drink the poison. All right. Oh wait, what's this? Definitely don't want that. All right, let's go.
They're catching on fire.
Stomp, face stomp.
I need 4 more souls. 2 more souls. Get this last guy over here. Yay!
Welcome again. Wait, there's something down here. Jump.
Oh.
Why would you do that, Russell?
Why would you go over there?
Goodness.
I was trying to get over there when you said that, and I was like, oh, and then you make me fall. Dad!
I made you fall.
Power. Magic missiles.
Yes, I need magic missiles. Okay, what do I do now? Magic missiles. Ooh, that's not bad.
That's cool. Wait, let's look through here. Oh, there's a lock. There's coins over here. What's over here? Oh no. I just walked into a giant pork area. They're cooking pork. A piggy pork.
Oh, that's a big dude. Teleport. And missiles from my hands. No more mana. I'll have to use my muscles. Teleport. Teleport.
Oh crap. Hey, get back here.
Man, that's a cool shield he's got. Oh, that thing's spitting out food. I got you. Golly, man. Oh, give me some more food. I need it. How's that guy not dead yet? Come on.
But you have to jump and hit him at the same time to break his shield.
Thanks for telling me that now, boy.
I told you that a long time ago.
Here, don't kill him, Russ, or you don't get the soul.
Well, I just got it.
Got
Okay,
nothing.
kill 4 more guys. Kill 4 more guys.
Okay. All right, let's go.
Wait, what?
Whoa, demon guys.
Wait, what?
They're like little elves
Oh.
and demons.
Kill them, Daddy.
Here. Missiles from my hands. More mana.
Kill 2 more guys and I'll come back to life. Get him back to life.
Oh, big guy, big guy. Russell, no! Stay alive, buddy.
Daddy-o.
Gotta get 10 souls. Stay
Hey,
alive.
what are you
Oh,
doing? Not
yeah.
helping
I
me.
forgot I could help. I'll hold these guys off.
I need you, Daddy. I need
Stay
you.
alive, stay alive. Holding these guys back.
How many more souls do you need?
5.
Good, I got like 5 more guys left. I only got 20 health, which is the problem. I'm dead.
No! Alright,
Game over.
that's it. Till next time.